Welcome to another Beacon demonstration video. Today I'm going to take you through how to perform a refund. Specifically, how do we refund a fuel sale that was incorrectly charged? It's quite simple. All we're going to do firstly to start with, we're going to look for the old receipt. So with your finger on the touchscreen, press View Old Sales and find the original transaction the fuel was done on. So I've found this, I'm going to press Reprint Old Receipt. And now back to my idle screen there, I'm going to now start the process of doing the refund. So all we're doing is we start by pressing Refund on the touchscreen. You notice it goes in red like that to let you know that you're in the refund mode. When it comes to recreating a fuel sale, you can either do it in dollars or liters. Most of the time, sites will have it set in dollars automatically. So if your store has liters, you just need to substitute and use the liter value instead. So with my receipt, it does say it was $26.66. So finger on the touchscreen, I'm going to type in that amount. It's easier to remember dollars, that's why we have that setting enabled. And if your site doesn't have it set to that, you can contact Beacon support and we can enable that for you instead. So I've pressed the dollar amount. I'm now going to press the @ or the multiply symbol button, and that will change that. Now we're going to bring up the actual fuel grade. So with my receipt, it says it was diesel. So with the stock search button, tap on that, and then I'm going to type in diesel. Okay, you can see specifically this item is just the one called diesel on my receipt, so I'm going to press diesel. Great. Now the diesel grade is actually on a few different pumps on my site, so I'm going to actually pick the one on the receipt specifically. It's pump 2. Perfect. So I've recreated exactly the grade of fuel, the right dollar amount, and the right pump and hose. Now to pay for it, I'm just going to press SubTotal. And then with the receipt, I'm going to replicate the exact method of payment I originally did. So in this case, on my receipt it says I paid with cash. I'm going to press the cash button. And then the sale has been completed. You'll notice up the top it says change due $0, that's fine. And the cash drawer will have popped open because specifically I said cash, and then I can give the customer back their $26.65. If I need to recreate the sale again, I just repeat the exact same steps again without the refund part there. So I'm just typing with the dollar amount or liter amount, the @ or multiply symbol, and then stock search for the fuel grade, and then selecting which pump and hose. But that's a real simple nature of how you can do a manual fuel sale refund. Thanks for watching our video on how to perform a manual fuel sale refund. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@beaconsoftware.com.au.